Namaskaram, Nenu Mansi Gulati, Swagatam Yoga. Today we'll do yoga for plumpy face. We can easily control it by simple exercises. So let us do that. First, meditate your body, close your eyes, relax yourself. Always meditate your body before starting yoga. So first we'll do simple kriya. Simple kriya is the best anti-aging kriya. In this we only going to increase the speed of our breath while inhaling and exhaling. This is the best kriya for cleansing. It calms our mind also. So keep your hand like this. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale properly, exhale properly. While inhaling, you are expanding your body. Exhaling, your stomach will go more inside. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Relax. It stimulates our mind and nervous system. This is very beautiful exercise. Now we'll do exercise for the plumpy face. First is balloon pose. Make a balloon and hold. In this exercise, your 57 muscles will get contracted, your blood circulation will improve more. This is the beautiful exercise for the bloated face. Every exercise we have to perform for 3 times for better result. Let's do it again. Make a balloon and hold. This is a beautiful exercise to control the puffiness, and you'll get a clear and beautiful glowing skin with this simple exercise. Now we'll do it again. Now you are going to hold your breath in this exercise. So make a balloon and hold your breath. Relax. It brings more oxygen and blood in our face. This is really good exercise. You will get the result in just 3-4 days. Let's do this again. Make a balloon and hold your breath also. Relax. Now we'll do third exercise, which is also very good exercise. It is balloon pressing pose. Let's do it. Make a balloon. Change the side. Let's do this again. A beautiful exercise for your glowing face naturally. Face yoga, like our body, we exercise our facial muscle and we can easily control 10-year age by face yoga. So these are the best exercise to control puffiness, your bloated face. And please guys, drink lot of water every half an hour. We should take half glass of water. Water is very important. It clears all the bad toxins from your body. So now we'll tell you a massage to control puffiness. It is very simple. Close your eyes. Tap with your finger. this increase the blood circulation, a beautiful massage. So these exercises and massage are very good to control puffiness. Please do that. We will come back again. Thank you.
హెయిర్ ట్రాన్స్ప్లాంటేషన్ చేసుకున్న పేషెంట్స్కి ఏమైనా ఫ్యూచర్లో సైడ్ ఎఫెక్ట్స్ ఉంటాయా?
మనం అడిగే క్వశ్చన్ ఇదే, పేషెంట్ ఎవరైనా కానీ సైడ్ ఎఫెక్ట్స్ ఏంటి? సింపుల్ మూడే అంటాను నేను హెయిర్ ట్రాన్స్ప్లాంట్లో. ఒకటి పెయిన్, రెండోది ఇచ్చింగ్, థర్డ్ది